If you're looking for a creamy keyboard under $75, this is the Ajazz AK8205. This keyboard comes with these red switches pre-installed, but I knew this keyboard could sound a lot better, and I had these Gateron smoothies just laying around, so I put those in. And that's the sound test that you just heard. So with the tape mod and the Gateron smoothies, this keyboard is now sounding like $150. If you want to build a keyboard over time, this is the one to get. Believe it or not, this aesthetic desk setup is all powered by the Mac M2 chip. A lot of people would probably think that this setup would be powered by a PC, but you can have really cool setups just running it off your laptop. The one piece of equipment that you absolutely need to run a laptop setup is some kind of docking station. And some docking stations that are 100-watt charging capable run you about $180 to $200, but this one right here by JSAUX is only $89. This is a 12-in-1 docking station, and this is truly one of a kind. Also in the box is included a lightning cable to USB-C adapter, and this is what separates this docking station from the rest. You can store your SD cards and all your cables inside. I set mine up right underneath my monitor so I can easily access the SD card ports. And since it's 100-watt charging capable, I also put in a USB-C cable so I can charge my mouse or my phone if I need fast charging. This is the docking station I replaced, and it was very limited on slots. And if you own a MacBook, you know that you only get 2 ports. So this is an absolute necessity if you're trying to run a laptop setup for your home office. And you're probably wondering where you can pick one up, and I'll leave that link down below for you. Let's do a sound test with all the keyboards that I own. Are you team Thocky or are you team creamy? First up is the Ajazz AK8205. This is the cheapest keyboard I own. Let's hear how it sounds. Next on the list is the Akko PC75 Plus Air. Next up is the Akko F75 completely stock. My personal favorite, the Epomaker Feker K80. And last but certainly not least, the Epomaker Feker K75. I love how all these keyboards sound, but which one was your favorite?